Hello everyone, it's Peter here, guys. So, I want to quickly show you something because I didn't record it on the video. So when you have new fans, yes, remember that those stickers have to go off. You need to peel them. We had customers here with computer which was just, like working. They've used thermal paste, they've used everything, and then it's thermal throttling. Why? Yes. Yes, so why do we have it with two fans? We have it for a server DELL R550, which we use here, and we want to use for the members. And that's what I want to tell you quickly about. So, that's my order. Let's see, I paid somewhat. Yeah, $67.97, that's about right. But look, do you remember Windows 95, Windows 98? Yes, or more modern version of the same thing. That's because of our OOR-HQ. OOR-HQ is our HQ, so our headquarters, is an app which I've created based on our previous app, so the same core, which is nice because save hassle. You've got meals here, and you would be probably wondering why, because not every family is so organized that they can just literally know what they want for a dinner. So we've got meal bank here. You can add your meals, you can disable them, you can have different presets, and when you spin it, you've got, look, hot burgers, I call it. It's hot dogs or hamburgers to choice, yes, and then you can log them in, and with even portions. There will be more features to this feature, but that's what it is. You've got music here. We can play the music. I will volume it down, and it will keep on playing when I'm browsing the app, so you can listen to your music. Let's go to web development, let's go to laundry. You will see the same stuff, only here you can drag and drop it. Yes, so that's the difference. There is so many features here. The VIP that's why we want to have it on our server. That's called Vintage Internet Project, and the Vintage Internet Project is something that is allowing older computers like Windows 98 run modern internet. Yes, because it's just rendering the browser through our DELL R550 to any other PC out there. In this way, you are able to use the internet on the old machine. So that's why we are doing it, yes? And more features. These are for our members, so it's not that I don't want to share this app with others, but I don't. It's just we work with integrity, and we work every area locally, and then every area has their own members, and then different area will have their own members. So when I'm developing our area, we've got like over 300 5-star rated reviews. It doesn't mean that another area will be developed the same way. It's an open project, yes, called Inte.Team. And you can read about Inte.Team if you will go to Inte.Team, to our website, Inte.Team. And then there is a membership, and you scroll down, there is something called Our Philosophy, which is called Inte.Team, and you can learn more about it. That's why we need the server for local community. That's why we are doing so much, so that the local community can thrive. More about it later, because I still haven't recorded about first app, and I already have the second app. And because this came, I wanted to share with you, because I'm redesigning DELL R550. I'll take some photos during the redesign, and to show you what I've done with our DELL R550 with Xeon 3rd Gen 192 GB of RAM server. Thank you guys. Bye bye.